But I just want to show you an alternate option when you have your hair either silk pressed or straightened on your own, how to give yourself some body and a cute curl. Hey, it's Kimberlee and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and this is a bit spontaneous, but I figured it would be great to follow up with a video on how I maintain my straight hair. If you didn't watch my previous video, also happy 2025. If you didn't watch my previous video, I went ahead and was straightening my hair. I've got the wavy brush again. I'm in week 2 right now, and for the first week I wore my hair as I had done it, so straight, and I was wrapping it every night. And then, like I had maybe or maybe not mentioned, what I used to do to maintain my hair is that I would just do 2 French braids, and then I would just redo those braids every night, and then my hair would actually be wavy, not straight. But this time around, I decided I wanted to see how it would look straight, even though I have like terrible ends. Good thing about this Wavytalk, which I've had in the past, and I'm trying again, I'm gonna get better at it. But with the brush, I'm able to brush out that reverting right here in this middle. I'm keeping that in because you need to know, you got to be careful. But I am brushing through this area and recurling the spot. I'm trying to straighten this area down first. I'm basically, instead of using my Time-O and then going in with this, I'm using this as a one-stop shop. And right now I'm just taking it through and trying to get that area that was all puffed up and straighten that back down before I go ahead and curl the ends. But I really loved the body that my hair had today when I wore it out. It looked so cute, and I was like, okay, we just got our next style. Thus this video of how I maintain the hair. I previously was using this Wavytalk brush, and I don't think I ever did this in the video of flipping it the opposite way. If you're wondering why I'm not adding in any spray or anything like that, it's because I did it yesterday. I don't feel like I need to use any sort of holding spray because it really is just to give it a little body, and it'll be pinned up for the night. So I'm doing my pins this way. I'm not doing pin curls, which go around the circle. I'm doing these little faux rollers, and I'm gonna fix these after. It was just because I was working elsewhere, but I'm going to go back in, roll them a little higher because I want it to sit up so that maybe the same reverting doesn't happen. So they're going to go super high, but they're going to fall. We all know that. I will say I keep accidentally hitting these buttons, and I think I referred to that in my other video. This is right on the handle, so every time I'm using it, I am pushing the buttons and turning it off and then turning it back on. But if you didn't see that original video, this is the Wavytalk. It is used as like an easy curl brush, but I'm finding that it's actually nice for helping to re-straighten my hair right here in this little section that reverted, so I can brush through. And yes, I'm not going to burn myself again if you're thinking I'm going to. I'm being careful. So I'm just brushing through this section right here to get us all on the same page again. And then I'm going to curl it back up once it feels like it's been re-straightened. To me, it's been so much easier having my hair straight. I'm out the door a little bit faster in the morning, but I am trying to think of a little bit of versatility. But I'm glad to have another opportunity with the Wavytalk because that first video was truly trial and error. I was lost in the sauce, and I'm starting to really like it. It's just really great for adding some body to your hair. I mean, look at the ends. That's cute, and I don't need more than that. Where I left off in the last video is that I said I was trying to get a heat protectant serum or something like that. I ended up getting OGX Bond Protein Repair Sealing Serum. It's pretty good. I used it the past 3 days in a row, and like I said, I'm just not using it right now because I used it this morning, but I used it. I like it. You can use it like almost every day. Yesterday, when I was doing this for the first time, I decided for a hold, I wanted to use my Big Waves from Pacifica. I love this thing, but those are the only 2 products I have. It's almost like when I'm doing my hair, I realize the things that I need, but I was like, where are those shine sprays and the little holds that they give when you're at the hairdresser and they hold your hair with the curls? I need something like that. I did not want to use the Got2b because, like I said, Got2b really does kind of dry out your hair. Yeah, simple looks. This style is relatively easy, beginner friendly for sure. I am literally just rolling this up and then rolling her back down. And then at the end, I'm doing my little swivel action. But I would say the Wavytalk truly just depends on your type of hair, honestly. I just think in the end, even with my hair straight, my hair is thicker. It's not running through that super easy, like, you know, some other people's out there. It's not one that you could just easy breezy roll through. Like I don't have that kind of texture hair, and that's okay. It's still getting the job done. Now that I found this style, I could confidently say that I do like the Wavytalk for creating these kind of big barrel curls. I'm happy with that. Okay, so as I mentioned before, I'm gonna go back and bring these up a little bit. I don't want them getting wet when I shower. It should be so obvious, but I'm just gonna say it. I'm no expert. This is just what I'm doing. I got these over the weekend from Amazon and they are great. They have a little curve in them. I got them for wrapping my hair. I got a ton of them too. It was only like, I think $2 or $4 for all of these. And yes, I did think about getting curlers, but I like to think about the comfort I have when sleeping. And I would rather, you know, have these like press against my head than actual rollers. But I just want to show you an alternate option when you have your hair either silk pressed or straightened on your own, how to give yourself some body and a cute curl, especially if you have straggly ends like I do and you want to kind of hide them. There we go, nice and off the neck. Oh, she cute. Where you going? I'll show you the back, good luck. This is my hair, this is my simple style. Okay, let's go back to front. Even my shower cap is big and I don't know. It was such a letdown this morning. But maybe I just have to be extra, extra, extra cautious when I'm in the shower and just keep my head away from the water. When you have straight hair, it's a little challenging because you end up, some parts always just kind of end up getting wet. All right. Everything's feeling good. I mean, we're always gonna have some movement in the night, but that is the look. That's all I did. It was super simple. And then tomorrow when I take this down, I'll probably add a little bit of this before heading out the door. But that is my cute and simple look, and I will see y'all soon. All right, it's the next morning and I'm feeling good about my hair because it did not get wet in the shower today. And I also slept comfortably since I didn't have rollers in my hair. So I'm just gonna take this down. Also, I just wanna say, I feel like that bond repair is giving my hair a nice little sheen because look how shiny it's looking. I love this. So I'm just taking down the curls and everything's looking really good. I love how each of the curls came out. Just a little extra body to hide those straggly ends with my hair. So I'm adding a little bit more product. And then this is pretty much it. I just want to share my little tip of how I maintain these curls. So I add a little bit of the Pacifica spray and then I actually roll my hair up on my way to work so that the curls don't already stop dropping the minute I head outside. So you'll see this in a little bit, but here is my final look before. And then here is the back. It's looking cute. Now I'm going to take a clamp and basically roll these curls to the side above my neck so that none of my hair starts to revert or the curls don't drop. Also, because it's winter and I have a big jacket on, I get so overheated. You'll see my jacket in a second. And one time I actually went to work and all of my hair was pretty much starting to puff up because I got so hot in my jacket. So by the time I get to work, I'm just gonna brush out the curls just a little bit with my hands and I'm good to go. This is a simple, simple look. Comment down below how you maintain your hair when it is straight. What kind of cute, simple styles do you usually use as your go-to? Let's have a conversation as always down below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next one.